Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the exact documents the portal requires. A clear scan of the RC, insurance, PUC, and your ID. Once done, verify chassis and engine numbers against the RC so you avoid typographical errors during entry. Next, sign in or create your transport portal account using a verified email and phone number. Make sure you can receive OTPs. These steps cut friction later because accurate inputs and a working account prevent rejections. You now choose the Update RC service and type the vehicle registration number carefully, then populate owner and address fields. This is where copy-paste errors occur, so slow down. Once fields are filled, upload each document in the specified format and size. If asked, crop or compress to meet limits. After upload, preview every page to confirm legibility. If the portal offers autofill or saved profiles, use them to speed the process while confirming accuracy. You finish by reviewing the full application summary and proceeding to payment. Choose net banking, card, or UPI and keep the transaction reference. Once paid, download or note the acknowledgement number and use the portal's tracking to watch for approvals or inspection requests. When the status changes to dispatched or updated, confirm the RC reflects correct details. Troubleshooting tip: if your application is rejected, read the portal remarks carefully. Correct the exact fields flagged, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.